The topic is power factor improvement. So, first we give the brief introduction of power factor improvement. Then after we will discuss about power factor calculation by 2-watt meter method. Then after we discuss causes of low power factor. Then after disadvantage of low power factor, and lastly we will discuss about power factor improvement techniques. So in the introduction, we can say that the power factor is a cosine angle between voltage and current in AC circuit. Power factor is a measure of how efficiently electrical equipments convert electric power into useful power. In technical terms, it is the ratio of active power to the apparent power of electrical installation. Now, the next topic is power factor calculation by the 2-watt meter method. In the resource creation assignment 1, we have already discussed about the how we measure the power by the 2-watt meter method. So the power factor power factors calculation equations are discussed in this slide is as follow. The power factor equals to cos phi divided by cos theta multiplied with cos phi minus theta, whole multiplied with the reading of watt meters. So we can say that the power factor equals to active power divided by the apparent power, and some basics other equations are also given in this slide. The next topic is the cause of low power factor. Most of the AC motor of induction type which has low lagging power factor. For example, arc lamp, electric discharge lamps and industrial heating furnaces operate at low lagging power factor. The load on the power system is varying, being high in the morning and evening and low at the other time. During low load period, supply voltage increased, which increased the magnetization current. This results in the decreased power factor. Next topic is disadvantage of low power factor. Due to low power factor, large kVA rating equipments will be needed. Greater conductor size will be needed. Larger copper loss will be needed. Poor voltage regulation will be needed. Reduced handling capacity of the system, and the handling capacity of the system will be reduced. And our next topic is power factor improvement techniques. By installing the static capacitor, synchronous condenser and the phase enhancer at the load side, we can improve the power factor of the system. And in this slide we are given some references.